Uh-oh. We fucking did it again.
We're pulling this out of here. And this is almost sadder than me selling the 240, honestly, because I didn't sell the 240, I traded it. But when I did that, I was like, fuck, we built a channel with this car, all this stuff. But this motor brought DJ and I to New York City, and Jeff. And then all the way back.
An airplane brought me back. But.
Yeah. I got a lot of history with this bad boy, so it's kind of sad to see it go. But going into their Corolla, so that's going to be sick. I've got a Beams on the way. That's big news. Nobody knows about yet. Got all the swap stuff coming too. Got the Skyline back. Man, a lot of shit has happened since we last filmed.
Yeah.
I got the Skyline back. Insurance paid me fat, so I bought the car back for $3 grand. Gonna fix it, and I also got all the stuff I need to swap the Beams into the Corolla. And with money to spare after that. So came out really well, and happy with the turnout on that. And also trading these for this motor for these wheels. So me and DJ came in last night before the Moist Boys showed up, and we pretty much loosened everything and like pulled the wiring, drive shafts out, transmission mount is loosened. Basically we just have to pop a couple nuts and this thing should come right out.
There's still a few lines and stuff to do, but we'll get to that when we get to that. How you guys been?
Not too bad.
Just chilling?
Milking mooses and stuff.
Ooh.
Meese.
You know what's amazing is how many people that myself and my girlfriend have told about moose milk, and they're like, that's not a thing. There's no way that's a thing.
Yeah,
Must have been talking to some...
What?
Yeah, honestly, that would have been good. You must have been talking to some bootleg Canadians. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Well, I haven't really been talking to Canadians. Well, a few.
I definitely got to hit Popeyes.
Oh, for sure.
Ben wants to go, so...
Yeah, I want to experience it.
Yeah, no doubt. I had some moose milk over the Christmas break. Did you? Yeah, me and my dad were giving her.
That's a
Good experience as per usual.
Yeah. Don't, you gotta love when you and your dad are just giving her.
Yeah, just milking the old moose, if you know what I mean? Yeah, we're out there railing fucking spigots into maple trees, milking those puppies while sipping on moose milk.
Also for Christmas, my parentals got this for me. This is from my uncle, his old toolbox from a long time ago. It's got these old school stickers on it and shit, kind of sick. KISW The Rock FM 100.
FM 100?
It ain't, it's not even FM anymore. Wait, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, FM, that's right. But it's
it's 99.9 now.
It's 0.1 off.
That's crazy.
But yeah, this is dope. Ball bearing rollies. My parents got this on Craigslist for like 70 bucks, which is a deal, and then my uncle gave me this to go on top. So pretty hyped on that. Taking the ECU out on this side, and disconnecting all the wiring from the ECU so they can pull it out that way.
Correct.
Yeah.
What's going on up here?
Who knows?
I'm trying to see if we should pull the harness off this way or if we should like pull it with the, just pulling it out the.
That's what I'm working on right now, is pulling that out.
Oh, he's cocked on here.
I know, they're fully
Held on with badger jizz, man. Shit's unbustable.
JB Schwelded on.
Holy cock fucker. Come on. What the fuck?
That stance just invokes yanking power.
Oh! Fuck, I feel like I'm yanking on a moose nipple right now. I've been giving her a twist, man.
Screwdriver, a flathead, or a Philippe?
Philippe.
Oh, shit.
Hello?
Hello.
I've done it. Fuck. It's so annoying because there's a speaker right here and it keeps grabbing the wrench. It's magneto. Oh. 1 second.
Oh, wait. Well done, Quinchman.
You busted up, Ben?
It is.
Busted, man.
You did?
Like 2 seconds.
Was it good?
It was okay.
It was okay.
You can do it.
Oh, it's pretty loose. Are you finger blasting yours, Ben?
It's like a little bit. Oh, I almost got it. Are you doing yours?
I'm blasting mine.
Nice.
Yeah.
The old Eiffel Tower.
Oh, he's so deaf. I don't even know what side I'd like to be on.
It's like being in the middle of the human centipede. Like, you really get
Yeah, you really are. Honestly, that's, I don't know why people complain about that.
Would you rather be middle of the human centipede or middle of the Eiffel Tower?
What is an Eiffel Tower?
It's when, like, you're on your hands and knees. Well, somebody's on their hands and knees.
Okay.
And then you got someone in the front fucking the mouth and someone in the back doing, and then you high five. Oh, I see.
That's where the Eiffel Tower comes.
Demonetized. Pull it out. Or you choose it? Is all the EGR shit?
I'll pull. I gotta pull this stuff out.
Yeah, honestly, we're probably gonna get some movement on this and then see a bunch of new shit we have to unload. Okay, Quinn's down there undoing some bolts. Eventually, it's just gonna fall out. We might all get crushed. It'll be fine.
That'd be alright. Limp it back to Canada for our free healthcare. Man, does it move up to here?
That's good.
You know what? Crinkle cut's good.
It is, man.
You get the ridges for the structural integrity when you're pulling it through some fucking sweet onion dip.
Oh yeah, true. None of this is
French
going in the video. There's no way.
Probably for the better. You wanna like pull back on this a little bit for me?
Let's have some fun. This beat is sick.
I'm gonna take a ride.
Who's this good?
Okay, we got a pour boom though. We gonna hit them jack stands.
Slightly tighter on the chain. Like, how much more does this thing go up? I guess that's not that.
Right, working. Why is every pneumatic
Slightly moving.
mobile we have, bro?
Is it moving?
Yeah,
Kinda.
slightly.
Slowly.
Is it?
Is this thing back?
I mean, we pulled it in with this like a few days ago.
I think it's going.
Looks like it was going up, but like
I think it was
really
going.
slow.
Hey, wait, is it the exhaust?
You could just get caught on the motor mounts, cause. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're good.
Slowly but surely, we'll do it.
I mean,
What about the header? Is that gonna come off? It's unbolted, but
It's unbolted. Is the exhaust like making the? Is it
Oh,
going
that
down?
could be what it is. Let me get a hand bone. Oh, we're jacking the car up now.
Well,
I should take the motor mount off on the other side. You know?
Try lift her up.
They're probably honestly just emptying visual pods into the tobacco. Mixing
we
it
gotta get
around.
rid of that old stock.
Yeah. All the ones that are tainted or whatever that expired.
So just jack her up all the way.
Yeah, a lot of bullshit. But it would be possible.
Alright, I think we're free now.
Yeah.
Unless
Vertical ones.
vertical. Keep her going. Push the slide down. There we go. Wait, hold on a sec.
It's like a Renaissance painting, dude. It's beauty. Look at the balance.
We should be able to just follow with one of the
Pull it back.
I guess we can. Lower that bit. Alright, that should be good.
Yeah, I think that's next. And you can kind of tilt it by hand as she goes.
Pull? You pull it back a little bit. Oh, it hit on the cross member a little bit. Back and come. Here, pull it back.
One sec.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what the heck?
Motor's out. Nicely done.
Slow down, boys.
She's angled. Figure she's ready to gooch. So just start her up. Test her out.
Yeah, turn the key. Start her.
Dude, we got the multicam going now, hey?
Yeah, we got
Big
mad angles, dude.
budget production.
We're basically like a TV station.
All right, so we had to move the 4Runner because it was parked up right here in front of the motor. But we're gonna try to load this thing into their truck now.
Damn it.
So back that puppy up. Also, we gotta get this exhaust inside there somehow.
We will just stick it like through this way and Ben can hold it in the back.
Yeah.
Just close like people as we drive by.
You could strap it to the roof.
Oh, spicy.
She slipped the chain.
That's good. You want that?
Cool, move it up.
honestly pull up your
Yeah. Maybe
that's
put
probably good
some
enough.
drain plugs back in some holes.
So this exhaust is way too long to fit in the truck, so they're cutting it in half.
Oh, that's alright.
That's close enough.
That's what you want.
Fabrication skills.
Absolutely gone today.
Moving to Canada.
Yep. Gonna live a new life.
Watch this still be too long.
Full of news. Look at that fitaments, man.
Oh,
That's fucking decent.
that's
Nicely done,
real
Ben.
decent.
Now that everything's loaded up, it wouldn't be a more Skids Moist Boys trip if we didn't go to Popeyes. Bro, all these Popeyes jams, dude.
This reminds me of square dancing in elementary school.
Oh yeah.
Why didn't you get a military discount?
I think a company like Popeyes can perfectly engineer a chicken to be exactly the same as another chicken. Like with the amount it feeds it and stuff.
They must have to, because how do they get the spicy chicken?
Yeah.
There's some big breasts too.
All right, lots of things are happening today.
Yeah, I guess.
What that do?
Finally, I have a KA for my 240. So Quentin was down south partying it up, and when he came up, he brought an engine with me.
With me.
I mean, with him.
Max it out.
Yeah, we're probably good.
Stay safe by me.
All right, now we gotta worry about where are we gonna put this?
Fall backwards and hit the wheel.
Moist Boys are up in here in Harbor Freight picking up some things because it's so much cheaper to buy stuff like this in the United States than it is in Canada.
Oh, you got some big
You got
honkers?
pickles in a bag.
Big pop. All right, Quinn just asked how much money they think they're saving buying this shit down here. Tell me
Yeah.
what you just said.
Because Adam, how much was this at Canadian Tire? 140?
Yeah.
And it was $50 here.
Yeah, so from 140.
value.
Yeah, and that welder was like, I don't even know how much that would be at home.
Good value.
Good value. That's all we know, man.
No doubt, man.
Value plus value equals, good value.
The light just
Yo,
caught.
Ben, where are you sitting, man? You going in the back?
I'll
or
go
what?
back there, yeah. Right into the back.
Good luck to these fellas crossing the border with all this merchandise and this motor that could be just full of cocaine.
Could be.
Shit, you're getting a pretty good deal on this motor because I got a lot of drugs in there.
Oh, fuck. You can have some back.
Yeah, so they're heading out. Hopefully next time we see him, maybe we'll come up there because I still have to give him the coilovers on my Corolla because I'm getting new ones, but I just couldn't do it while they were down here this time because I need to roll the Corolla around. So,
What the fuck is that? Fucking. Okay, whatever.
anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting us and watching our videos and subscribing to our Patreon and buying our merchandise.
But extra thank you for watching the Moist Boys.
Yeah, and thanks to them for hooking me up with those wheels.
Yeah, that looks sick when the 86.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
And the motor will look sick in my 86.
Also, this is the man that gave me the hood a while ago. So,
Yeah.
hello.
If you don't know
Shout
who
out to
Ben
Ben.
is, man, you fucking slack. Oh shit! I thought we were about to die.
Get a job. Those are the last words. Get a job. And shut
Get a
up,
job, man.
Right on, boys. Cool. We'll probably see you.
I'm the
Yeah, right.
motherfucking
See you
band
guys
man.
soon.
Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam.
Yeah.
I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money blah blah blah, pussy, money, money, weed. Yada yada yada, got a water paper all green. Henny, 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 roly polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo up.